Guys, so we got Star Fox and I played it a little. I did better than I did a long time ago, but I still sucked a lot. There's Barry. I made him sad. I yelled at him. Yes, I did. And I was sitting here thinking, oh my god, I forgot my daily video, and so I'm making that. But Barry sold some of his games to help pay for new ones. So we got the Batman game, we got Harry Potter, Chamber of Secrets. Those are, one's a PlayStation 2 game and the other's GameCube. We got Pitfall, Super Mario Kart, yeah, Mario Kart, Star Fox, Jurassic Park. What was the other one? What was it? I don't know. Barry's pouting. Look at him pouting. That's all he's doing. He looks like he's gonna laugh too at the same time. See, I go, shit, stop. Don't tickle me, you jerk. Stop. I yell at a lot of people. Don't I yell at a lot of people? I just don't need that in my life right now. Stop. Oh, I'm tired. Stop. Stop. Just, you guys don't see this, but he is going to try to tickle me. He's like moving his fingers like a... Stop. Could you... Look at that face. Stop. Stop. I'm scared. I'm gonna just defend myself. Stop it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go because he's being a jerk, and I feel like he'd be less of one if we would just go. Oh my god, get away from me! God, I can't do this. Okay, bye, you guys.